Let's focus on Mold-Tek packaging. Their Q4 results were impacted due to lower demand from paints industry. Revenue declined while profit was also impacted on a YOY basis in Q4. However, they did see a volume growth of around 4.5% in the year gone by. To discuss more on their Q4 performance and the business outlook, Janumahanti Laxman Rao, the Chairman and Managing Director at the company, is joining us now. Mr. Rao, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us today. You have given a volume growth guidance of 15% in FY25. Can you give us a split of how much of it will come in from newer capacities or newer businesses in the paint segment, and how much will be from the existing business?
See, as you all know that ABG has given us 3 locations to set up packaging partnership, and we have already started commercial production at Iyer and Panipat. Last 2 months, supplies have started and the numbers are picking up pace. So, assuming at least we do around 2,500 tons of business with them, which they projected to be 4,000 tons for this annum, that is 24-25. Even we do 2,500 to 3,000, it contributes to almost 8 to 9% of our growth based on our 35,000 tons we have produced last year. So that itself will contribute 8 to 9%. And our spare packs and food and FMCG are still growing at a good pace. The overall food and Q packs growth is 34% last year. So even if we achieve around 20-25%, that will be indirectly a contribution of about 5%. And coming to our new pharma division, which has gone into production, I'm very happy the kind of response we are getting from industry leaders in pharma. Many products are under development, testing, and stability testing also has been taken up by at least 5 clients. And these numbers will gradually add because they take a little longer time for giving us the commercial clearance. However, from the third quarter onwards, I anticipate the pharma facility also to contribute to the numbers. Probably it may be only 3 to 4% this year. So overall put together, we are confident we'll be reaching at least a 15% volume growth as against 4.8% we achieved last year.
Okay, so Mr. Rao, thank you so much for that. So Q3 onwards, you expect the pharma segment revenues to start kicking in. Now, the next question is the guidance that you've given the street as far as the EBITDA per kg is concerned. You've given a guidance of close to rupees 40 for FY25. What is the trend that you're witnessing as far as raw material prices are concerned? And why do you expect to see an improvement in the margin? It was close to 39.1 rupees per kg as at the end of Q4.
Yes, one of the reasons why we also noticed paint sales dropping in this year is we are consciously letting go some of the lower value-add products in the paint business especially. And we are consciously improving our sale in food and FMCG and then followed by pharma. So that is visible in the fourth quarter. If you notice, there is a sharp drop of more than 10% in paint sales. And there is a big jump in square pack, that is our Q pack products. So this is where our better value addition will be keep coming in. And going forward, pharma will be adding almost double our average or better than double our average EBITDA. Even if it contributes 3 to 5% this year, that will be a significant growth. And that's why we are confident we'll be crossing 40 rupees EBITDA per kg.
Mr. Rao, I wanted to understand, you said that pharma will be more than double the average EBITDA per kg that you have. So the last known number was around 100 rupees per kg just from the pharma business in terms of EBITDA. When will the pharma business start contributing fully? First up, how much will it contribute in FY25? And once the capacity utilization is at optimum levels, how much will it contribute in terms of, say, volumes and also in terms of revenues?
See, this year we are projecting a revenue of about 18 to 20 crores per annum for this year because it will take almost 3 to 5 months for some of our products to get stability tested. But our EV tubes already started picking up sale in the month of April and May. We have seen some decent numbers. And the real big numbers in the pharma segment in bottles and caps and canisters will be starting sometime from August onwards. So we are still hopeful to reach anything between say 16 to 20 crores for this year, but next year that should more than double to the region of around 35 to 40 crores. That will be a sizable addition at that time. And going by the traction what we have created from some of the leading pharma companies, I even anticipate some further growth in capacities may be required. However, that call we will take in the second half of the current year, so that we'll be ready when the demand increases from our clients.
Just a clarification here, Mr. Rao, 18 to 20 crore rupees will be per month in the second half, or will it be for the entire year?
No, for the full year. 18
For the
to
full
20
year, it will be 18.
Yeah.
Okay.
And next year it should be region of around 40 crores. That is the current capacity is what we set up. But the capacity also have to be relooked because of the excellent traction we are getting for our products. But anyway, that review we will take after 1 or 2 quarters.
Okay, sir. Mr. Rao, we also want to get a sense of the thin packs segment. We want to understand, whether there was any delay as far as production for both Kisan Jam as well as Horlicks was concerned. Any delay there? And when do you expect that to get commissioned? Also, give us a sense of the Daman plant. Has there been any delays over there?
Yeah, the Kisan and Horlicks products have started production only from April, May this year. In fact, in May, the numbers have really gone up reasonably. So there was considerable delay in launching those products due to various reasons. But now everything is through and the supplies have started. One more thing is we are now going all out with the Panipat plant for our Tinwal products to cater to the North market. Daman project is on the back wheel now because more of North demand is what we want to first focus upon. And that project will be ready to go on stream by July, August. So that will be adding to this festival season. Sweet boxes, food product packaging will start in a decent way from July, August in Panipat. So that project will be fully utilized during the next summer season for ice creams and dairy products also starting from August. But they pick up speed in the next busy season. So growth will be coming more from the North plant.
Okay, all right, Mr. Rao. So a lot of capacities coming up, a lot of new businesses that will start contributing as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Rao, for joining us today and giving us a sense of how the business is panning out. So paints did not do so well in Q4, but they expect the Aditya Birla Group to contribute heavily to the volume growth in FY25.